Well, it seems like it's as good as day as any, good as day as any, as good a day. It's a good day to start replacing 38-year-old interior stuff. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder, and this beholder says that interior sucks. To take this dash out, the first thing you need to do is get the biggest impact gun you can get your hands on. That's not right, that's just habit. James, I need, will you hand me my screw gun thing and the case of the, beautiful. All right, well, I do know this. Before we can do anything else here, we have to take the gauge cluster thing off. So, I mean, I could do this with a manual screwdriver, but power tools. He who has the most power tools rules the world. Get that off of there. Alrighty. Alright, so we want this one. Well, that one's just spinning. Holy. Maybe I should fasten the seat down. There we go. Okay, you got vents in here, and it's 40-year-old plastic. So if it doesn't break, it'll be a miracle. Pray for a miracle. Here we go. Oh, it sounds terrible. All right, we're going to turn the key on. Ooh, hello. What is going on? There we go. Holy smokes, I got it out of there without breaking anything. Okay, so apparently, down throughout this thing, along in here is more screws. Now let's see what we get. Oh, of course there would be something else. That's why I had this handy dandy 4,000 piece fitting twirly woo set. I mean, I don't even know. Like, what's that? Where do you use that? I have no idea. I don't know why the seat is just, what is going on here? Oh, yeah, look at there. Oh, no, I can't. That's going to fall. I'm going to die today. Let's set this in the floor so I can lose my 4,000 pieces. All right, now we got these screws out. It should. Come on out. Am I missing something up top there? I mean, listen to it. It sounds like a fresh bag of tater chips. Yeah, that's the sound you want to hear. Snap, crackle, pop. Here we go. I mean, what a beautiful piece here. All right, now time to. Oh, it's like, what am I, a circus freak? Like, get in here. Okay. If you want new speakers, now is the time to put those in. These little 1/4-inch screws here. And take this out. Now you can take out just the speaker, or you can take out the whole bracket. I want to take out the bracket so I can sandblast it and get it painted because it's rusty. Not that you'll ever see it, but I don't want the rust to spread. So now what we're going to do is clean this off impeccably and make sure it's good before we, put new stuff on top of this. All right, we got this stripped out, cleaned up, cleaned the floor up. There's a little teeny spot over there that we need to put some rust stuff on. And now that the dash pad's out and the gauges are out, we're going to fix this up and start with these seals. Get all new seals in here. Seems like a good place to put the seat for a few minutes. Now we're gonna get this. I assume this just pops out. Oh my goodness, yeah, it just kind of comes out. So that's good, I guess. Well, this won't. There we go. My door stop fell out because the door won't stay open. All right, let's just pull this out. Oh, we got a piece of trim in here that's holding us up. I could probably just. Oh yeah, we'll just sneak around it. Oh, well, that didn't go as planned. Okay, it's broke. I need a new one of those. Oh, well, get off. I don't know what's happening. I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. Okay, there's one out. This piece is what broke. I don't know if I have another one or not. Well, look at that. It just broke in half. All right. I'm going to brush this out. I need a bigger brush. Bigger brush. Oh, yeah. Shop vac, please. Why you gotta be so cold? Oh, Jesus. I can't get this open. I can't get it. I can't get it open. I can't. Oh, let me just see if look at that. Brilliant. Where do we want our split? Like in here, right? Yeah, let's put it right there. See, this has the stuff already in it. Isn't that nice? Where'd my... There we go. Uh-oh. Well, that's interesting. Just perfect. We're going to treat this spot on the floor with some of this no more rust stuff. No more rust stuff coming up. Ooh, stuff is potent. I can feel my brain cells frying. Let's just brush this on here and see what we got. Oh, it's thick enough. That's good. That's right. Put your face right down in it. Oh, Lord, I'm high as a kite. I probably ain't passing no drug test. You been sniffing glue, sir? I swear, officer, I was just working on my truck. Okay, we'll come back in a little bit and hit it with another coat. We're going to put some of this on the floor. Whoop. On the floor, I say, from Summit. It's a sound deadener stuff. Let's see. It's just in sheets or whatever. It's like a universal thing. You just get, you know, sheets of it. Stick it on there. We don't have to cover the entire floor. Just you know, big sections of it, I guess. So we'll start with a piece right here. That looks like a good spot to put some. We'll just do this. Get out of the way, wire. I said get out of the way. We'll just put that right there. And then, you know, I'll fold it over, trim it, and roll it in there. Just roll it on there. Going to town like I'm making dumplings. Is this how you make dumplings? I have no idea. Never made a dumpling in my life. Look, it's all sound deadened proofed. Well, this is what's left of the plastic that came out of the truck. Some of it is just fine, and some of it, you know, didn't make it. So I have this. To be honest with you, it's been a while since I've ordered this, so I don't really even know what some of it is. Wonder what the heck does that go to? No idea. Well, that's just almost just like the other one. Where does this go? No idea. What do we got in this box? Maybe I'll recognize it. Oh, yeah, this is a pillar thingy. Okay, I know where this one goes. What's this one? Sail panel. Yay. All right, well, now we got to get all this scrubbed up and painted. James is going to, you know, help. All right, so we want a bucket of warm or hot water. We want some of this. This is an all-purpose heavy-duty cleaner. It's, I would normally use trisodium phosphate, but, you know, phosphate, people don't like that. So this is a trisodium phosphate substitute. We'll just dump some of this in here. Like that seems like a good amount. And then a little bit of dish liquid. Just a touch. Mix it up real good. All right, you can get you a towel or something. I got these free moving blankets, you know, from one of those U-Haul It moving companies. That's all I'm saying. So, you know, scrub this really good. Make sure you get the nooks and crannies. Nooks and crannies. I get the backside too, just for good measure. I mean, why not? You're here. Rinsing time. Hey, hey. Not funny. Not funny. Now we'll just repeat that process 400 more times. Here we go. We need stuff. All right, I need this paper. I need my adhesion promoter. And I need my color. Got this from LMC Truck. Whiskey's supposed to drown the memory. All right, we're going to take this pre-paint cleaner and wipe these down. Adhesion promoter, see? Color. It's gray. Look, I got 2 cans of this from LMC Truck. I want you to watch this. These are brand new. Look at that. Look what that's doing. Now look at this one. Nothing. Look at it. See? This sucks. Okay, this time we're going with Duplicolor. Duplicolor medium gray. Light coat. Actually, several light coats. And several light coats later, this is what you get. Looks pretty good. I heard several of you out there say gray. Wait a minute. That truck didn't come with any gray. It's supposed to be all blue. And stock, you're correct. But after I saw this faded section here on this door panel, I thought, I wonder if two-tone wouldn't be a good idea. Well, at least I thought two-tone was going to be a good idea, but now that I pulled this is the new dash pad, and this is one of the new carpet thingies for the door, and this doesn't match either, and this doesn't really match this, and none of this matches that, and that doesn't match this. So maybe it's tri-tone, quad tone. It's eclectic. We'll go with that. Especially when you consider that this is the seat cover that I decided to throw on here, mostly because I don't know what I'm doing with the seats yet. What in the world what am I supposed to do with all the yarn? Knitting a sweater? What? Anyway, that'll look something like that. See? Blue, gray, or gray-ish. Unfortunately, I can't really start putting any part of this interior together because I need to get the air conditioning done first. So that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. And if you did, tell the neighbors, wake the kids, phone a friend, all that kind of stuff. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Get off the couch and go wrench on something. I did at least get my steering wheel cover on. That looks fantastic.